don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day,
it was our wedding day.
Getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
No clouds allowed in the sky.
Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin.
Thunder,
you tell the story or am I?
I'm sorry, mi vida, go on.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
Why did he tell us?
In doing so he floods my brain.
Well, look at the umbrella.
Married in a hurricane.
What a joyous day, but anyway,
we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Grew living few, Bruno stuttering and stumbling. I could always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling.
I succeed him with the sound of falling sand.
It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left Bella and the family fumbling, grappling with prophecies they couldn't understand.
Do you understand? 7-foot frame rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams.
Hey,
we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me my fish would die the next day, dead. No, no.
He told me I'd grow a gut, and just like he said,
no,
said
no.
that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my head.
No, no. Hey, your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read.
He told me that the life of my dreams will be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power will grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oh, Jim Mariano's on his way.
He told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach. It chose to another. It's like I hear him now.
Faces.
It's like
I want not a sound out of you.
I can hear him now. Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno. Isabella, your boyfriend's here. Time for dinner. Says my wedding day. Wraps along
ready
back.
and there wasn't a cloud in the sky.
Fades to black. Yeah, he sees
Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. You telling a story or am I?
Oh, Jim Mariano's on his way.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
Rats along his back.
In doing so he floods my brain. Married in a hurricane. He's here.
Don't talk about Bruno.
Why did I talk about Bruno?
Not a word about Bruno.
Never should have brought up Bruno.